Taking you through those images coming in from Maharashtra's Thane, Badlapur, as a school has been accused of molesting a staffer, molesting two young girls, 3-year-old girls, allegedly molested by the staffer of that school. Now we see the protesters going on a vandalism spree. They're literally destroying the premises of that school. Two minor girls were molested in that school, which is known to be a popular school in Badlapur, Thane. Maharashtra Mantri has rushed to the spot in Badlapur. Mantri Deepak Kesarkar, who's currently en route to Thane. Legislative Council, the Deputy Chair, rushes to Thane to try and take cognizance of this law and order issue. We are looking at huge protests that has erupted with local train services that has been dismissed, and bus services at this point comes to a standstill. Autos are not complying, and also we know that shops and establishments there, to show solidarity with those protesters, have decided to shut shop today. This issue and anger was growing for the last 4 days when families of those two 3-year-old girls who were molested by the school staffer came to the police station in Badlapur East and tried to file a complaint, but the cops delayed in even taking the FIR, or refused to, in fact, register an FIR for at least 3 days. That's what's led to this anger that's now exploding out on the streets, with protesters now destroying the school premises. They're vandalizing the premises of that very school. The school is now shut. It's asked for a complete closure. The school administration has closed the school down for 5 days owing to this anger. The principal of that school was dismissed, in fact suspended, we hear. Of course, that the school sweeper has been arrested, the man who molested those two girls. But that said, we're looking at the anger now growing, with more associations, organizations joining in this protest, making this volatile. We're looking at people barging into the school premises, trying to vandalize property there. Saurabh Akhtania joining us on the phone line for more on that. Saurabh, we're looking at people taking law and order into their own hands. They're barging into the school premises, trying to vandalize property. What's the police doing there?
So it's a complete failure of law and order situation in Badlapur. This is what the opposition has alleged, and that is what we are seeing on ground as well. But we need to understand that the incident took place between 12th and 13th of August, and India Today has exclusive inside information and also the timeline of this entire incident, what has erupted today at the Badlapur railway station, what we are seeing in the visuals right now. So, like I said, on 12th and 13th of August, this particular incident took place when one 3-year-old and 4-year-old girl were sexually assaulted by this particular accused. There may be more accused as well. And let me tell you, the girls refused to go to school. This is when the parents inquired that why are they so scared of going to the school. That is when the girls narrated the entire ordeal. Later, the parents went to the local Badlapur police station, and Nabila, let me tell you, the police officer did not take the FIR. In fact, more shocking is that there was a lady PI, the lady inspector who was present at the police station, and more than 12 hours passed, the FIR was not taken, the complaint was not taken. There was a bit of political pressure to the police as well. However, late night, there was a protest, after which on 16th, late night, the FIR was filed. On 17th, the first accused was arrested. Now, later on, there was no process or no further investigation.
Saurabh Akhtania, I'm going to come back to you. If you can give us, for the moment, I'm going to cut across the reactions coming in. Maharashtra's leader of opposition has also spoken. Listen in.
ये जो आरोपी है जिसका नाम अक्षय है, ये अक्षय को पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया है और उस पे जो कलम लगाए हुए हैं वो पोक्सा के जो कलम है उसमें 74 है, 75 है, 76 है। अगर इकट्ठा ये प्रूव हो जाता है तो इसको कुल मिला के 13.5 साल की सजा हो सकती है। इसके लिए हम लोग फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में ये केस लेके जाएंगे, स्पेशल पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर देंगे और कड़ी से कड़ी सजा उसको देंगे। लेकिन उसको सजा देने से ये खत्म नहीं होता। हमने पूरी मशीनरी एक्टिवेट कर दी है, हमारी स्कूल एजुकेशन की पूरी मशीनरी एक्टिवेट हो गई है, हमारी होम डिपार्टमेंट की सब मशीनरी एक्टिवेट हो चुकी है, ताकि आगे चल के ऐसा इंसिडेंस नहीं हो।
और उन्होंने जब रिपोर्ट लिखने गए थे तो वहाँ के पुलिस सीनियर पुलिस ऑफिसर ने, महिला ऑफिसर ने 11 घंटा उसको बिठा के रखा। कार्रवाई करने के लिए वो दिरंगाई कर रहे थे, क्योंकि वो एक संस्था विशिष्ट लोगों की थी, विशिष्ट विचारों से थी, सत्ताधारियों से जुड़ी थी, इसीलिए कार्रवाई के लिए वहां पे दिरंगाई की गई, समय निकाला गया। और आज जो स्थिति निर्माण हुई उसके लिए ये पुलिस ऑफिसर जिम्मेदार है, इसको तुरंत सस्पेंड करे, ये मांग हमने की है। नहीं, ये कानून सुव्यवस्था की धज्जियां उड़ चुकी है, और जो छोटे छोटे बच्चों पे अत्याचार होता है वो पूरे महाराष्ट्र को एक शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसी घटना। ये पुलिस विभाग की आज कानून सुव्यवस्था पूरी बिगड़ चुकी है। उनकी सबकी मांग है कि फास्ट ट्रैक पर चलाया जाए, 3 महीने के भीतर में ये नराधम को फांसी हो और ऐसे आरोपी को किसी भी हालत में छूटना नहीं चाहिए, ये हमारी मांग है।